What's up, YouTube? We got cherry limeade, of course. And then we got blue mini over here. Basically, it's got an intermittent check engine light. So I went to AutoZone, got the code red, said evap leak. And I've noticed before that whenever when I bought it, it didn't have the light on. Whenever I fueled up a couple weeks later, the light did pop up. And I was like, man, I've got gas this day. And so various times, it's been months, off on, mostly on, kind of mess with the fuel cap. I noticed that it would slightly turn back. So you put it on, because the way it is, it doesn't have like a clicking lock like most other cars. I guess these BMWs and Minis, it has basically you turn it. So right now it's tight, but sometimes when you turned it, it would turn back slightly. But I figured out it's probably the gas cap, because the light's been off and it's popped back on sometimes, but if I just turn it back slightly and it stays, the light would stay off. So I was thinking the evap. My neighbor was like, well, maybe smoke test it, see, it might be a hose up front. But after a few weeks, I figured out it's probably just the gas cap. So got a new gas